Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel, and in this video tutorial I would like to share with you how to knit this absolutely lovely and moreover beginner friendly stitch. Here's another type of yarn that I was using, and I like it even more. Uh, for this stitch you will need to cast on the number of stitches divisible by 11 plus one extra stitch and plus two salvage stitches. So for my example, I cast on 36 stitches if you want to try it. So let's get started. The first row, uh, slip the first stitch and purl all stitches. Yes, and I forgot to tell you that I've done 3 rows of ribbon, knit one, purl one, just to show you how you can use this stitch because it's perfect for cardigans, for sweater sleeves, so how it looks when there is a ribbon at the beginning. So purl all stitches. Um, yes, please don't look that I'm purling here through the back loop. It's just a normal purl stitch. I get so many questions about my purl stitches. This is just the way how I knit, and it depends on how I grabbed the yarn in the previous row. So just a normal purl stitch. And the last stitch, purl stitch, it's a salvage stitch. Row number 2, slip the first stitch and knit all stitches till the end of this row. All stitches, knit all stitches. Knit, and purl the last stitch. And row number 3, where the real pattern starts, slip the first stitch, then knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. Then into the next 6 stitches we're going to make a knit with double yarn over, like this, and drop the stitch. So insert the needle, make a double yarn over, and then drop the stitch and go on like this. So you're basically making 2 ropes like this, and the last time. Then knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over. That's it. And now we are going to repeat again. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. Now into the next 6 stitches you need making double yarn over, 3, 4, 5, 6, then knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, And the last time, in my case, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, 6 knit stitches with double yarn over, at the end, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, then knit 1, this is the extra stitch, and purl the last selvage stitch. Next, row number 4, slip the first stitch, purl 5, then next 6 stitches you don't need, you simply then slip from the left hand needle to the right hand needle and you get that long loop. So just slip next 6 stitches like this, and purl 4. And repeat again, purl 5, now slip next 6 stitches to the right hand needle and purl 4. And repeat last time, purl 5, slip 6, and purl 4. At the end, purl 1 and purl the selvage stitch. Sorry guys, I realized that there is no video, so I have to do one more. Uh, and another example, just again look how beautiful this stitch, and we are going to continue with the row number 5. So row number 5, you slip the first stitch, then knit 5 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we are going to make 2 stitches from the next 6 stitches by knitting them. Just count, you need to pick up only 6 by knitting them through the back loop and then through the front loop. So this is through the back loop and now through the front loop. So we've done 2 stitches from the 6 and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to repeat, knit 5, knit next 6 stitches through the back loop and through the front loop, through the back and then through the front loop, this and knit 4. And we are going to repeat again, knit 5, repeat as many times as you need. One more time. One and knit 4. Knit 4 at the end, knit 1 and purl the last stitch. So this is the row number 5 and that's how it looks. Next, row number 6, we're going to purl all stitches across. Slip the first stitch and purl all other stitches. Purl, purl, a little bit more. Turn. Row number 7, we're going to knit all stitches. Knit all stitches till the end of this row. And purl the last stitch. And last row, row number 8, uh, just purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. I'm not going to finish this row, I think you understand, so you just purl till the last stitch and you purl the salvage stitch. Uh, just finish it. That's it. Now you're going to repeat from the first row and repeat as many times as you need. So the first row you're going to purl, the second row you're going to knit, and then you're going to make double yarn over stitches. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, for watching this tutorial. Uh, I hope you enjoyed it. It was useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!